When you pay with cash, you spend 12 to 18% less than with a card. The envelope method is the most effective budgeting hack ever discovered. You label envelopes by spending category: groceries, gas, eating out, fun. On payday, withdraw the monthly budget for each in cash and stuff envelopes. When the envelope is empty, you're done spending in that category. Best for groceries, restaurants, entertainment, personal care, clothing. Keep paying bills and gas with debit/autopay. Cash isn't practical there. Start with 3 to 4 categories. Don't try to envelope everything at once. Pain of payment. Handing over cash hurts more than swiping. Visual limit. Seeing $40 left in your grocery envelope changes behavior. MIT study. People spend 100% more with credit versus cash for identical items. In-app, good budget, or every dollar app. Digital envelope categories. Same principle. Categories with hard limits. Mix. Cash envelopes for your worst overspending category, digital for rest. Get my cash envelope labels and budget template at https://www.etsy.com/shop/moflowco. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.